If you are a pharmacology student, welcome to my channel, the Health Science Portal. This channel will simplify pharmacology, medication safety, dosage calculations, IV calculations, so anyone can understand it. If you are a pharmacology student and want to learn more, you are in the right place. In today's video, we will be learning how to read medication labels. The basic important information on a medication label is the trade name, also called the brand name of that drug, the generic name of the drug form, the dosage strength, whether it's a combination drug or a single drug, and how many tablets in that bottle. This is the basic details of a medication label. This medication label has the trade name and the brand name of a drug called Sinemet. Sinemet also has a generic name. It's called carbidopa levodopa. The drug form of this medication is tablets. The dosage strength of this medication is 25 milligrams of carbidopa and 100 milligrams of levodopa. This drug is called a combination drug. It is a combination of carbidopa and levodopa. There are 100 tablets in this bottle. This is the simplest way to read a medication label. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you can never miss a new tutorial. Leave a comment below and let me know what topic you would like me to cover next. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.